Hey sports fans, Ripper coming back at you, and we have a single box / tin of Yes Yet Again 2007 Upper Deck Sweet Spot. Third box / tin we're opening. Really like this product, obviously, for reasons that have been documented on film. Yet again, really tough plastic. Griffey spokesman. Alright, let's see. Got this at a card show. So we got a Michael Young base, numbered to 850. Got a Gil Mensch, numbered to 850 base. Oh, we got Mr. Probably retired for his career, John Smoltz, game used. Still a Hall of Famer. And we'll go to the back here. We got a Jared Weaver, game used. And we'll go to our helmet. We got a Chris Stewart. Autographed Texas Rangers helmet. And, well, unbelievable. We got another redemption from this product. We've been getting a lot of redemptions overall. Let's see what we got. 2007 Sweet Spot Baseball. Sweet Spot Signatures. Tier 2. Red/blue stitch. Red ink. SSRI Rich Ardon. Rich Ardon. I don't know if you can read that yourself. Rich Ardon. Never heard of him, but okay. There you have it, sports fans. Till next time. See you in the bleachers.